Hey guys, you've been thinking about getting in the draping game for a few months and maybe even a few years, right? You love playing with different designs, you're very creative, but let me ask you something. Why haven't you started your business yet? Sis, don't you know there's so much opportunity out here in these premium draping streets? Let me tell you the 5 reasons why you need to start a draping business like yesterday. Hey guys, my name is Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and what I do, they call me the Draping Queen because I teach e-creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients doing exactly what they love, making more money through premium draping, right? Now, if you're thinking about starting your own journey, you need to watch this video to see some of the benefits of running a draping business. Now, before I get into why you need to stop playing, do me a favor and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you always have access to the latest and greatest in the draping world of premium draping. Now that we got that out the way, let's get into these 5 reasons you need to start your draping business. Now, the first reason you need to start your own premium draping business is because of the income potential. If you work 2 to 3 events a month, you can easily make an extra $3 grand. Imagine that, right? From working 2 or 3 Saturdays a month for a few hours, you can add an extra 3 G's to your bank account. So that trip to Bali that you keep thinking about might not be so far-fetched after all, right? Now, the second reason that you need to start your own premium draping business is because you're able to exercise your creativity. When you're creative like me, you just can't help yourself, right? You got to design something so that you can have and get that creative flow out, right? Having a premium draping business can do that for you. Now, the third reason that you need to start your own premium draping business is because there's a low entry point. For most businesses, you have to spend several $1000s to get started, right? With Pipe and Drape, you can get into it with as little as $500, and you can start up with the simple stuff, right? On top of that, anybody can learn the proper techniques if you practice. No matter what skill level you're at, it's possible to learn, which means it's possible to make the money. And best part, here at the Posh Academy, not only do we teach you how to enhance your draping skills, we also have all the products needed to create your designs. Check out our draping systems along with our backdrops in the box in the description to order yours today. Now, this brings us to number 4. Now, number 4 reason that you need to start your draping business is because you'll be introduced to so many new people, right? Now, I know we in the COVID times and people are kind of iffy about networking, but you still can enjoy breaking out of your shell by attending all kinds of events, right? Not to mention the ones that you actually set up. You never know where your next hot ticket client may be when you're setting up events, right? There's so many other potential clients in attendance as guests. A simple conversation can turn into your next big client. They will already be halfway sold because guess what? They can see the work that you're providing. They see the work that's displayed. So now it's your turn to seal the deal. So don't mess this up. And then lastly, that brings us to number 5. And number 5 is because you work on your own time. Those of you who are still working a 9-to-5 lifestyle know how draining it could be. With premium draping, you only work when you want to work, which means you may only work a few days a week if you choose to. So basically, boo, if you could be making the same amount of money a couple of days a week that you'd be making if you were punching a clock. Now that you've seen the 5 reasons you need to start your draping business, I want you to go ahead and get started ASAP. If you want to learn more, then you've got to come to one of my one-day labor-intensive masterclasses, right? Because in one day, I teach you not only how to enhance your skills, I teach you how to command premium prices for your work, how to attract higher paying clients, and how to eventually stand out from the crowd of other event professionals, right? I'm doing a tour across the US, so come and join me in a city near you by clicking the link in the description so you can sign up. That's all I got for you guys today. So don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments if this was helpful, right? I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.